Hello, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Coming at you today to share one of the newest pre-owned deals we got on our lot. This is a 2013 Dodge Avenger. As you can see, this vehicle is black in color and is in great condition. It is a 2013 but has less than 62,000 miles on it, making it a great value. You can get into this Dodge today for less than $9,000, making it one of the lowest priced vehicles on our lot. You can see the interior is also in great condition. This vehicle has all the features that you need. Please let us know if there's any other questions that can be answered for you here at Apple Chevrolet. Please contact our sales department for further information at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. And please check us out online at applechevy.com. Thank you.